Okay, thank you for your paying attention to our living room. In the following tab, I will introduce another product of us. Okay. First, I will introduce you. We are the professional manufacturer of plastic extrusion machines, not finished product, and we hope that you can understand it. And we are the manufacturer of plastic extrusion machine. Okay. And first, this is our first living room, and perhaps we didn't prepare very fully, not very fully. So hope you will understand it. So in the following time, I will introduce you our WPC product extrusion machine. Okay. For these WPC extrusion machines, mainly consist of several steps. First is for the mixing machine. Mix the PE material or PP material with wood powder and other additive materials together in the mixing machine. Then we get the mixed material, and then we come to the granulating machine. From the granulating machine, we get the granule WPC mix granule. Then we come to the extrusion line, whole extrusion line, to produce the finished product. As you see, this finished product. This finished product, according to different customers' requirements, there is different structures. You can see this finished product is rectangular hollow, and this product is for round panel. You can, according to your different requirements, to make different products. Just the difference is the mood, die head and mood. We count the extrusion machine. It's for the main important parts. The extrusion line mainly include conical twin screw extruder, die head, and different needed finished product, different modes, and vacuum calibration table. Here we come to the honing machine and the cutter. As your different needed lengths, such as 6 meters, 6 meters or 4 meters, as you can choose it. The length can be set. So that's the extrusion line. And for the surface treatment, we will use auxiliary machines. Auxiliary machines such as embossing machine, sanding machine, and the lamination machine, etc. As you think you want to the finished product. Here, this one, I will show you. This one is the first generation styles. Mainly the old generation one, different customers use single screw extrusion line to produce. But as the technology updated, we use the conical twin screw extrusion line can produce this, and the capacity is quite higher than before. And the surface effect is much better. For the coating. As you can see. So above is WPC production lines detail information. Mainly 4 steps. First is mixing. Second is granulation machine. The third is for extrusion line. And the last one is for the surface treatment. As you can see, different surface treatment as you want. Okay. Then this is the whole production line for the WPC production line. Please don't forget to follow us account.
Yes, follow us.
Okay. And we are the machine manufacturer. Please don't forget it. In the following time, please allow our colleague to introduce you next product.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.